Hakikiniat sengi beladap kila sapriang ki Khubor, Ngut kibriu gila yap agawai ke par Dewïong Shillong Thangskai, East Jaiñtia Hills District. Henry ke ni ke Khubor, shim lala ban pin Shisha. Hak artrek no pra arjapsan, Ushivan Chawasti, IAS Deputy Commissioner ke East Jaiñtia Hills District, ulang ba kipulit kilawat bnia alor ke ni ke Khubor, bala bataru SP ke district, bo naiti ke kaipot. Nak jing toket bot wat bnia, la syam bakum ke Jaiñtia shim ladon setia, ba amdan ru kinu kisaki sabut.
Based on these reports that came in certain media outlets, we had inquired from the police department, and I wrote a letter also to Superintendent of Police to submit a report. And based on the thorough inquiry, we have found out that no such incident has taken place, and till date, as of now, there is no such actual information that certain instances like that, as has been reported, have taken place. I think it was, on three days back, on last Monday or last Sunday, that we received certain reports, and immediately verbally I had instructed the block development officer and superintendent of police to find out more information. They were in touch with the local headmen also, so that they can report if there are any such instances, and the police team went on ground also. But after thorough inquiry, we found out that there are no such reports or actual instances that has been reported. No, from our side, we are always on alert. We don't take any news that is circulated lightly, either on news or from any sources in social media. If we receive any information, just to be cautious, we always try to send the police team and verify the facts on the ground. And in case we find certain illegalities, always action is taken on them. But on this particular case, since there was based on the ground reports, what we found was not what was circulated in the media. So we just did the inquiry, and based on that, we had closed the matter.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.